What's up, Vechain Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Today video I'm talking about the Vechain, my friends. In this video, you know what, Vechain warning us from the previous last 1 month, from the previous last 1 week. Every day Vechain warning us, but now the warning time is over and now it's time to enjoy. It's time to celebration, my friends. First of all, please click the subscribe button and also like this video for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so you will get the latest update about Vechain, about cryptocurrencies market every day, my friends. So my friends, let's start the video. The currently and latest price of the Vechain is 0.0775373 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Vechain. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Vechain, so the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day, last 1 week price change so in the Vechain is negative, my friends. Only the latest pricing is positive, so that's why I'm telling you, my friend, that the Vechain warning is from the previous last 1 week. So the last 1 week pricing is negative, last 1 week pricing is also negative. Only the last 60-minute pricing is positive. So this means that the Vechain good timer starts now, and now it's just the beginning of the pump, my friends. So I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time, my friends. Wow, it's a huge pump, my friends. Believe me that there's a quick jump, so they will take this pump for a long time, my friends. And my friends, from this chart everyone can understand that the Vechain price is going down, and that's why, my friends, the Vechain warning, that's a warning for us. It's a warning for holders, my friends. Every day, day by day, the Vechain price is going down. Every day they warn us, my friends. So now the warning time is over and now it's time to celebration. Very congrats to all Vechain holders. Now it is just a beginning, my friends. Don't be mad, my friends. Please hold it. If you hold, so you will get profit, and if you not hold, so how you can say get profit from a Vechain, my friends? My personal advice, my personal recommendation for all of you is also that please hold it, don't decide to seek. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.